folks, welcome back to the channel, and going to do something today that I have not done for some time, which is an unboxing. The last couple of times my wife and my daughter have kind of pushed me aside, but their unboxings are straight and to the point. Mine is probably going to be a little bit longer than that, but there we go. Let's get into this box, and then we shall have a look and to see what we're dealing with. So, ta-da! We have some tissue paper, and there we go. That kind of gives it away. We have, don't know if you've seen these on Instagram, they've been kind of advertising quite a bit. Ratio Freediver, a chronograph is what I have here, hopefully. Now, I don't actually have a diver's chronograph in my collection, and I've never actually looked at one on the channel. I've had, yeah, obviously plenty of dive watches, but that is a big box for a little box. Anyway, this is how it comes. So, outer sleeve, this cardboard thing, and yeah, quite a nice box, just kind of hard cardboard. And this is a kind of a soft touch, kind of faux leather thing with some gold lettering on there. So let's have a look, see what we've got. Oh, a plastic bag. Right, so we are, there we go. And there is the watch. Just slide it off of that pillow. And we'll push that to one side, and we will have a look. There we are. A Ratio Freediver 200 meter quartz chronograph. Let's just zoom in and have a quick look. Yeah, quite a nice textured dial on that, quite like that. Nice handset. Not sure if there's any anti-reflective coating on that crystal, but yeah, still, what do we think? We have a rubber diver strap, which actually feels a bit like a Seiko one. You know, it's quite stiff, so this is going to be one of those that is probably going to end up, if I kind of hang on to it for a while, is going to be put onto another strap. But yeah, I think it's not too bad looking. Have a look at the case profile. Quite nice, looks some quite decent brushing on the side there. Little recesses in there. Everything looks to be pretty good. Let's check out the chronograph, which is sat central. As you can see, we have a quartz chronograph ticking away there. Is it hitting the markers? Well, I think that is pretty darn close. So that's impressive. That's a good start. That is a good start. And we'll stop the chronograph and then reset. Yeah, quite nice. So it looks like with the 3 sub-dials, the one at 6 o'clock is obviously the running seconds, and the one at the 12 o'clock is, I'm going to guess that's probably, yeah, that'll be your minutes, and then the one at the 9 o'clock is going to be your hours. So 12-hour chronograph. And let's check out the bezel, shall we? Or do we do that in the review? Nah, let's have a listen. Ooh, that actually feels pretty good. Resistance is spot on. Little bit of back play, no wobble. Yeah, there is a little bit of back play. It's just kind of between the clicks where the back play is, and yep, that does indeed line up. We have a screw down. Let's have a look. Unsigned crown. What's the action of that like? That's not bad to get at. Pops out nicely. Yep. And what's it like to screw back in? Absolutely spot on. There's no problem with that whatsoever. So yeah, I think that's not a bad looking watch. And what we got on the back, we've got a skin diver laser etched onto the back, sapphire crystal, stainless steel, 200 meters. So yeah, and oh, we got some cutouts in that strap, so you can you can get your spring bar tool in there, which is quite handy, because a lot of the time these rubber straps don't have that, and you have to kind of force your spring bar tool in there. So yeah, what we got here, we have a signed brushed clasp, which looks quite nice, and a hang tag. I don't know if is that ratio or ratio 2. I'll give you a model number, etc., when we do the review and all the measurements and everything like that. Yeah, for today I think just a quick glance and a once over. You know, it's mainly brushed, a few high polished surfaces like the pushers, a little bit of kind of satinized brushing on that crown. Everything else is pretty much brushed. But yeah, quite nice. Quite like that dial. Quite like that dial. What do we reckon the loom is going to be like? Freediver 200 meters. Let's move those hands out of the way so that we can actually have a look. It would be typical that wherever they're set, that they're in the way. Let's put it to the jeweler's favourite. There we go. Pop that back in. Yeah, I think that's looking quite good so far. Just check that bezel's actually really. I thought it might be a bit difficult because it's kind of partly shrouded here and here, but it's, yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, quite a nice feel, nice and tactile. Yeah, yes, quite good. So yes, we will check this out and we will do a full review on this in a few days' time, or a week or so, or whatever. But yeah, let me know what you think. First impressions. Have you heard of or seen the ratio divers? I know that they do automatics as well. I was kind of sorely tempted to get an automatic, but you know, I've done a lot of automatic dive watches, so I thought, yeah, let's get a diver's chronograph in and have a look. So yeah, I'll talk about pricing, etc., and where you can find these in the review. But for now, that's it. Just a very quick unboxing. Hopefully quick anyway. If you like this kind of content, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know what you think about this in the comments, whether you heard of them, etc., etc. Please subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video. Cheers for now.